Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We are seeing on our latest satellite picture a lot of cloud covering much of South Africa, storm clouds over the eastern areas. But in the western sections, what you are seeing here is mostly high-level cloud streaming from Namibia into the western and southern parts of the country. But below these high-level clouds, we are already starting to see some storm clouds developing in places across western South Africa. Now we have light rain going on over parts of the south coast, but it's going to become dry later this afternoon across these parts of South Africa. Thunderstorms are going to start early across much of the interior. The storms should be rather scattered over the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. A dry afternoon is forecast for much of the Western Cape as well as the northeastern areas of the Limpopo province. Now here's a look at the chance of you seeing wet weather coming your way this Tuesday. Up to 60% chance of thunderstorms is forecast for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, the western parts of the northwest, as well as the westernmost areas of the Free State. Isolated thundershowers are forecast where you see the lighter shades of blue. Johannesburg is going to have a good chance of afternoon and evening thundershowers with temperatures warming to a pleasant 24 degrees this afternoon. For the rest of South Africa, top temperatures are going to look more like this. It's going to be warm to hot for much of KwaZulu-Natal, Ladysmith peaking at around 29-30 for Pietermaritzburg and Durban. Cooler as we go towards the Eastern Cape, highs in the mid-20s for East London, Bishop and Port Elizabeth. It's going to be warm for Cape Town, warming to around 28 degrees, a hot 34 for Vredendal. It's going to be warm for Upington, peaking at 27, the same for Mahikeng, just a degree cooler in Pretoria, warming to around 26 degrees. We are expecting light winds for your Tuesday across much of the eastern interior, light to moderate southwesterlies between Port Elizabeth and Durban. A northeasterly breeze is forecast around Richards Bay, and we're going to have winds reaching 25 kilometers per hour around the Cape Peninsula. And now looking ahead to your Wednesday, it's going to be pretty unsettled across much of South Africa, dry for the easternmost areas as well as the western parts of the country. Cape Town mostly sunny, warming to 26 degrees. Then on Thursday, we are going to see thunderstorms persisting across much of the country with light rain forecast for George.